6:15 right now. Let's get a check of that forecast with Janessa Webb.
I am tracking that storm that is affecting Louisiana right now. Unfortunately, the surrounding counties from Baton Rouge to Shreveport, New Orleans, the brunt of that moisture is still tracking in. You can see it's still a few cells that are starting to make their way onshore, at least the next 36 hours, tracking that widespread rain. Look how far that moisture goes. It's affecting 7 states right now, including Northeast Ohio. Also, we have a cold front that's moving in this afternoon, and you can see that's going to spark up a few isolated storms across our area going into about 1-2 o'clock hour. Also, temperatures are still pretty warm. We're in the lower 80s this afternoon, but the big talker, the mugginess, it's off the charts this afternoon. It will continue as the front moves in. So this morning, the moisture in the air, you're probably noticing a nice glaze over your car. You're seeing that moisture filtering in here. 68 for Greater Cleveland. That is oppressive and pretty uncomfortable. I want to show you exact timing as those cells that I just showed you track in from the west, first affecting southern locations. That's the tropical moisture. Take a look at our future cast and let's show you the front that starts to make its way in. That's that isolated activity for Erie, Huron County, but please take note of the darker greens and the yellow. That's a little bit of embedded thunder. Now, keeping my fingers crossed for a little bit of sunshine after those storms filter out of your area. 83 with still muggy air in place tonight. 66 with mostly cloudy conditions. Hope is on the way. I just need you to hold on for one day of sunny skies. Friday afternoon, more storms for your weekend.